Title: The Ultimate Deviled Eggs Recipe. The crispiness of the whites paired with the creamy yolk filling creates a harmonious bite. Here's how to make the best deviled eggs with a few twists, tips for personalization, and serving suggestions to elevate your dining experience. Ingredients: 6 large eggs, a quarter cup mayonnaise, 1 teaspoon Dijon mustard, 1 teaspoon white vinegar, 1/8 teaspoon salt, freshly ground black pepper, to taste, paprika, for garnish, fresh chives or parsley, finely chopped, for garnish. Optional variations and add-ins: a dash of hot sauce for some heat, 1 tablespoon sweet relish or chopped pickles for tanginess, crispy bacon bits for added texture, smoked salmon or finely chopped ham for a gourmet touch. 1/4 teaspoon garlic powder or onion powder for an extra layer of flavor, avocado for added creaminess and a healthy twist, truffle oil for a luxurious flavor profile, sriracha or your favorite hot chili sauce for a bold, spicy touch. Steps: 1. Boil the eggs. Place the eggs in a single layer in a saucepan and cover with enough water that the eggs are submerged by about an inch. Bring the water to a gentle boil over medium heat. Once boiling, remove from heat, cover the pan, and let the eggs sit for 10 to 12 minutes. For firmer yolks, you can leave them for an additional minute. 2. Cool and peel. Transfer the eggs to a bowl of ice water immediately after boiling and let them cool for about 5 minutes. This ice bath stops the cooking process and makes peeling easier by contracting the egg whites. Gently tap the eggs on a hard surface and peel them under cold running water to remove the shells smoothly. 3. Prepare the filling. Slice the eggs in half lengthwise using a sharp knife. Carefully remove the yolks and place them in a small mixing bowl, being cautious not to tear the egg white halves. Set the egg whites on a serving platter or a deviled egg tray if you have one. 4. Mix the filling. Mash the yolks with a fork until finely crumbled. Add the mayonnaise, Dijon mustard, white vinegar, salt, and a few cracks of black pepper. Mix until the filling is smooth and creamy, tasting as you go to ensure it's seasoned to your liking. You can incorporate any of the optional variations at this stage for a unique twist. 5. Fill the egg whites. Spoon or pipe the yolk mixture back into the hollowed egg whites. For an attractive presentation, use a piping bag fitted with a star tip. Alternatively, you can use a plastic bag with a corner snipped off to achieve a similar effect with ease. 6. Garnish and serve. Lightly dust the filled eggs with paprika for a pop of color and flavor. Garnish with finely chopped chives or parsley. This not only adds visual appeal but also an aromatic freshness to the dish. 7. Chill before serving. Cover and refrigerate the deviled eggs for at least 20 minutes before serving. This allows the flavors to meld together perfectly. If preparing ahead for an event, you can store them in the refrigerator for up to 2 days in an airtight container. Serving suggestions: deviled eggs are extremely versatile and can be presented in many enticing ways. Here are some ideas to consider. Serve on a bed of mixed greens for a pop of color and freshness. Arrange on a wooden board with cheese and charcuterie for an elegant appetizer display. Add slices of freshly baked baguette or crackers to complement the creamy filling. Themed variations. Consider these variations to add a thematic touch to your deviled eggs. Mexican style, add chopped jalapenos, cilantro, and a splash of lime juice. Top with crumbled cotija cheese. Mediterranean flair, mix in a bit of feta cheese, sun-dried tomatoes, and olives. Garnish with a drizzle of olive oil and oregano. Asian-inspired, incorporate a small amount of soy sauce, wasabi, and pickled ginger into the filling. Top with sesame seeds and nori strips. Nutritional information: deviled eggs provide a good source of protein and healthy fats. When incorporating variations like avocado, the nutritional profile is enhanced with beneficial omega-3 fatty acids. For calorie-conscious individuals, Opting for low-fat mayonnaise and skipping optional add-ins can reduce calorie intake. Presentation tips. To create a stunning presentation, consider using an egg platter with circular indentations or line the platter with lettuce leaves for color contrast. Use edible flowers or microgreens as additional garnishes. You could also sprinkle different types of smoked salts for heightened flavor depth. Storage and handling. Deviled eggs are best served chilled, but should not be left out unrefrigerated for more than 2 hours. These deviled eggs are sure to be a hit at your next gathering. With their creamy filling and a touch of spice from the mustard and paprika, they offer a classic taste that's hard to beat. The additions like bacon, hot sauce, or relish can cater to varied palates.